So good evening one and all. The topic is initialization of application data in AngularJS. That means we are discussing about ng init. Okay. So AngularJS direct to ng init is used to initialize application data. Okay. Let's try to write a program here. So before that, let's see how to use ng init. Okay. So in the div tag ng app equal to and then ng init equal to, you have to write your variable name here, for example emp name, and you have to give the value to the emp name. It means value to the variable, for example, so Mithun. Okay, now I'm trying to display this value. I just using a header, so h1, like I'm writing some expression. So inside expression I'm writing this variable name, emp name. Okay, whenever you have written some variable in the braces like this, it stands for expression, and it will print this variable name on the screen. Okay, so just close the div tag. So this is the syntax to create or to use ng init direct. Okay, let's move on to the program. Okay, so doc type html, so html, so just I'm using script tag. Okay, to use AngularJS application, so inside body, so there is a division tag and ng app equal to, okay, then ng hyphen init equal to, I will put some variable name like emp name is equal to, and the value is, for example, Mithun. Okay, I will display this value now, h1 h1. So here I will display this value using expression. See here, so whenever you are using two braces means it stands for expression, emp name. So emp name is Mithun, so output will be hello Mithun. Div body html. Okay, let's save the program. For example, init demo1.html. So just close the program. So go to folder, so init demo, yeah, see here, hello Mithun. See here how it come. So I'm trying to print value emp name variable. Okay, so emp name variable value is Mithun, so hello Mithun is printed on the screen. Okay, now if required, okay, we can also initialize more than one variable using ng init. So let's see, doc type html, so html. Okay, so I'm using script tag to use AngularJS. So inside body tag, so I'm using div tag ng app equal to, and then ng hyphen init equal to, for example, I'm trying to find area of rectangle, so length equal to 6. Okay, you have to separate two variables by a semicolon, then breadth equal to 10. So just close with inverted commas and close the division tag. Now I'm trying to print area of rectangle. Okay, so you can write here like area of rectangle is length. Okay, length into breadth. So just, okay, please observe here, this stands for expressions, AngularJS expression. So length value is 6 and breadth value is 10, so 10 will be printed on the screen. Okay, let's see. So close the div tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Okay, so let's save the program. For example, init demo 2.html. Okay, let's try to execute this program. So init demo, just right click on it. So open with Google Chrome. Let's see here, area of rectangle is 60. So see the code again. So I have initialized two variables, length and breadth, with values 6 and 7. Oh, sorry, I have opened another code. So my program name is ng init demo. Okay, ng init demo. Okay, so length equal to 6, breadth equal to 10. That means length into breadth 60. Okay, right. Thank you.